Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve Android Auto not working on phone. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Android Auto not working issue with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Close and reopen Android Auto app. Sometimes app's internal issues might cause such problems. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch the Android Auto app once to get rid of internal problems along with fixing Android Auto not working problem. Solution 2. Check your connection basics. The next solution you can try is to check your connections, like ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Make sure you're using a compatible USB port in your car. Some cars have multiple ports but only one works for Android Auto. Avoid USB extenders and hubs. Verify your phone is in battery saver mode. Solution 3. Clear cache and data of Android Auto app. Having corrupted temporary app data, referred to as cache, can also cause Android Auto app isn't working issue, especially if you haven't cleared it in a while. So, clear the Android Auto cache and fix it. For this, you need to open Settings, then go to the Apps or App Manager. Find and click on the Android Auto app. Go to the Storage option. Tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, open the Android Auto app, try to re-log into the account and connect to car to check the problem. Solution 4. Force stop the Android Auto. Force stopping the Android Auto application on your Android device is another method to fix Android Auto not working. For this, go to Settings, then Apps or App Manager. Choose Android Auto. Tap Force Stop. Solution 5. Update Android Auto app and device. Sometimes an outdated version of Android Auto app and device can cause this problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To update the app, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Android Auto app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. To update the device, go to Settings app on your phone. Then, find and tap on About Device or Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Android Auto stuck on loading screen or not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving Android Auto not working problem on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.